Well, good morning, everybody. I'm Miguel García. I'm from Zapala Innovation Consulting, and I'm the coordinator of one of the accelerators, one of the 16, and it's called FINODEX. When I usually present the accelerator, I say we are the accelerator of open data. The other accelerators have a specific domains or a specific characteristics, but our accelerator is the accelerator of the open data. What we are asking, we are willing that the people, that developers and ICT entrepreneurs all over Europe develop new products and services based on this. One is Fiverr, obviously, and the other thing is the reuse of open data. Those two things are our must, and you have to keep them in mind whenever you plan to submit to our calls. Who are we? We are 6 partners so far, 2 of them from Italy, with different cross expertise like business, domain, or even in the startup scene. We are, our company is the innovation manager. We have even an open source SMEs association from Spain. We have obviously one of the Fiverr experts, as is engineering, and we have a complementary role one to each other to provide you the best of services, because we are offering you 5 free services during the whole process. It's not only the money, as we saw in the video, we have other services that will be provided for free by the consortium to any SME or to any entrepreneur who is willing to participate with us. And now coming to the first call, which has been launched the 7th of October and will be closing the 19th of December. We have different conditions than other accelerators, and I'm going to focus on explaining what FINODEX offers and to who. So our beneficiaries will be SMEs acting on their own, no cooperative projects, SMEs from Europe or any associated country, and individuals. Individuals, 1 individual or up to 4 individuals, as well established in one of the legal countries of the framework of the 7th framework program. We are not expecting cross projects from SMEs and individuals. This is not going to happen, and we are also not funding research centers or large companies. Okay. So what is our approach? We have now opened the call, and we are expecting proposals of projects using Fiverr and open data. This is going to be closing in, as I said, before Christmas, and then we will select the 50 best who will start into this other phases process. In the second phase, what we are going to ask you is to submit a deliverable, including the architecture of your project and also a concrete business plan. You will be provided training as well on how to do it well. Once we finish this phase, we will evaluate again the project, and out of those 50, we will get only 30 who will enter in the development phase. And in that phase, they will develop their application, test it with real customers, and send us the feedback that they gather from users or customers. It is really important, this part. We are not expecting prototypes without any kind of test by users or by customers. We want commercial products at the end. Okay? Bear this in mind. And after that phase, we will evaluate again and we'll select the 10 best. And we will, with that 10 best, we will enter the phase 4, which is the tuning phase, to correct mistakes that have been occurring during the whole process, to improve their applications and to have the final launch into the market. Okay? The best 3 will get prizes, and the funds will depend on the phase that everyone stays. For presenting a proposal, we don't give funds, but if you are selected within the 50 ones, you will get funds according to that slide, depending on what phase you reach. So the best one can reach 170,000 euro, okay? And one project selected in phase 2 and not accessing to phase 3, only 10K. We have 2 million, a bit more than 2 million for this first call. We will have another call in spring. The dates will be decided afterwards. The one that is applying now is this one, this first call. And what is needed so far, and this is really, really important. Bear in mind 4 things. We are asking for a project proposal, 10 pages, nothing else, including different sections. We will see them now. They have to be addressed to any of those domains. We have 4 specific domains and 1 bottom-up approach, which is basically propose what you want. We want every good idea to be funded by us. okay? Then we will ask you some administrative information, where you're from, what's your name, are you a company, individual, a group of individuals, whatever. And then to sign an honor declaration saying that you agree with the conditions of the call, and that's it. Everything will be submitted through that platform, F6S. As many other accelerators, we are using this system to gather the proposals. And all the documents we are requiring you will be uploaded in PDF, okay? Very simple. Within the platform, you will see there's a questionnaire that is only for statistical purposes. So that questionnaire in that platform is not a criteria for the evaluation and nothing else. What is the proposal like? We have 4 sections: the technical excellence, what and how, the objectives, what open data sets are you going to use, the fireware usage, what are you going to use of fireware, what fireware technologies. As Nuria said, there are many pieces, choose the ones that best fit your needs, so that's easy. Impact, really important, commercial impact, social impact, but bear in mind that we want products or services. We don't want a theoretical approach or a research project. We want real products. And then the implementation capacity. Who are you? What's your experience? Do you have experience in development? Have you tried fireware? Whatever. And now the don'ts, okay? Don't participate with your company if it's not an SME. That's really important. Large companies or research centers are not going to be funded. Don't submit a research proposal. This is totally different. This is an opportunity for innovation, not for research and development. Present a proposal. Don't present a proposal without using fireware or clearly stating what open data you're using. And we are having some problems now with this. Some projects say that they are going to produce open data. What we want is the reuse. You can produce more open data as long as you reuse something that is existing at this moment. And when we talk about open data, we talk about data which has an open license, not data which is published in a web with a copy. We're not going to fund anyone doing scrapping techniques from copyrighted contents. That's not legal, we cannot fund it. Another thing, don't expect double funding. The same idea will not be funded by 2 different accelerators. This is really important. And there is a rule that the same idea can only be submitted up to 3 different accelerators. Okay? This is said in the guidelines, check them out because everything is written. Don't be afraid of asking us questions. We all know that this is new, that many people do not know fireware, etc. Ask the questions you may have, because it's the way to learn, it's the way to know if you have access to the correct accelerator or not. And important, from our project, we are offering the possibility to have a pre-proposal check service. So it's through the website, you go there, and submit a short paragraph explaining what you are going to do, what you have to do, and we will respond you in 1 or 2 days, okay, before submitting the whole proposal. All the information is there, and thank you very much.